Hello and welcome. You're watching News Point with me, Hem Kaur Saroya. We have lots lined up for you on the show today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get started with the headlines first. Russian Defense Ministry says it destroyed 132 Ukrainian drones launched in overnight attacks in several regions throughout the country. Taiwan's defense ministry releases footage of its military drill conducted in a bid to strengthen its ability to move troops swiftly amid threat from Beijing. Yemen's Houthi rebels claim to have targeted Israel's Ben Gurion airport with a hypersonic ballistic missile, as Israel says it intercepted the missile launched from Yemen. Amid renewed Israeli offensive in Gaza, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu visits an undercover unit base in the West Bank, hints at the possibility of opening larger and more intense front in the region. Houthi-run media says the United States strikes targets in Yemeni capital Sana'a, the latest in a wave of strikes carried out in retaliation for attacks by the rebel group on U.S. ships in the Red Sea. Donald Trump urges U.S. Federal Reserve to cut interest rates to help offset effects of his tariffs after central bank decides to hold them steady, demands in a post on Truth Social to do the right thing. Reports say Indian Information and Technology Ministry is in touch with social media platform X over recent incident of AI chatbot Grok using Hindi slang and abuses, as the issue is being examined. Finland tops the World Happiness Report for the 8th year in a row with an average score of 7.75, followed by Denmark, Iceland and Sweden. Afghanistan holds the bottom spot, which scores of 1.36. An industry group report reveals that global recorded music revenues grew for the 10th consecutive year in 2024. The report also urges policymakers to protect artists from AI-driven copyright threats. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.